Crime and Bollywood, a brand new series, starts June 24th, 9:30 p.m. Only on Zoom, 100% Bollywood.
Wow, that was quite the luxury. But can HUL afford the luxury of wasting superstar Shah Rukh Khan in its new Pepsodent ad? Let's find out in our next segment, Good, Ad and Ugly.
रोज-रोज ब्रश क्यों करना पड़ता है?
अगर नहीं करोगे तो सारे मुंह में होगा कीटाणुओं का हमला।
सुपरस्टार होने के साथ ही शाहरुख खान है और सुपर डैड भी, और उनकी इसी इमेज को कैपिटलाइज कर रहा है उनका ये लेटेस्ट पेप्सोडेंट एड।
इसलिए कीटाणु पेप्सोडेंट से बहुत डरते हैं।
Pitching it against market leader Colgate, Hindustan Unilever Limited upped the star value for their flagging oral care brand. But is it really helping?
थोड़ा सा ओवर एक्ट किया उन्होंने इस ऐप में।
शाहरुख और बेहतर कर सकते थे पेप्सोडेंट वाली ऐड में।
उनको सूट ही नहीं हो रहा वैसे, मतलब ओवर एक्टिंग जैसे नॉर्मल एक्टिंग करते वो ऐड में उन्होंने ज़्यादा ओवर एक्टिंग कर दी।
Actually, as he said in one of his award show that he's the goddamn best actor of India, so should have done something creative, more expressions. rather than overacting.
शाहरुख ने बहुत सारी अच्छी एड्स की है पहले, तो obviously he could have done better.
He has acted in many other big brands. Over there he has done it well. But Pepsodent, I don't think he did it well.
He overreacted a lot. I mean, he could have done much better.
He has been working with so many other big brand companies. And he might have done a lot of better in the Pepsodent ad.
क्या हुआ?
कीटाणु का मुंह में हमला।
And Shahrukh himself has a pretty valid justification for this not so perfect act. अपने एक recent tweet में शाहरुख ने कहा, and I quote, "Yes, I felt awful that I was unwell during the Pepsodent shoot. Would have done better if I was in better health. The film looks very sweet."
कीटाणु का मुंह में हमला। सारे दांतों पे अटैक।
But will it get sweet returns for HUL? Is now anybody's guess.
शुक्र है सिर्फ 2 मिनट में पेप्सोडेंट ने दुश्मन को धो डाला।
SRK comes at a steep price of around 15 crores per endorsement. और 3000 crore worth toothpaste market में Colgate is leading with a 52.5% share, while Hindustan Unilever's Pepsodent and Close-Up come a distant second with 22%. क्या ऐसे में सुपर डैड शाहरुख खान के सुपरस्टार पावर्स काम आएंगे? ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा. But for now, we have to rate this one bland.